Hello everyone, this is Warsword, and welcome, because I have not done a Subnautica thing ever, and yeah. If you have already not noticed, I have this zit on my forehead. It's really freaking annoying. Don't ask, I tried getting rid of it. Never pick it off, because apparently you bleed a lot. It's not nice. Okay. So, I am in creative mode. My nose itches. And also, I got a haircut to people who obviously, yeah. You no longer can see, yeah, it's weird and I hate it. I want to die. Okay. So, this is also spoilers for Subnautica. I suggest you play it. Ooh. What's this? Oh, this is the flashlight. My nose itches again. Oh, what is this again? Yeah, the construction thing. Oh yeah, the moon. Okay. We switched the knife. Now let me go find something nice. What's my fourth thing? Oh. Okay. Okay, that's weird. Okay, is this oh yeah, this is the thing that helps increase my speed. So now, oh god, why did I sink through the floor there? That was weird. Okay. So, if I just come on. As you see, where's the Aurora? The Aurora's over there. So that means the Sea Reaper, or some people call it the Sea Reaper. But if you want to get technical here, the Reaper Leviathan actually lives over in this domain, so why not? I go say hi to him and shank him in the face. I'd love to do that. And excuse me, because since I have a lot of games on my computer, it is extremely laggy, so yeah. So let's see here. Okay, you know what direction I have to have. Just head behind the Aurora. That's it. That's all you need to freaking do. Then you have this. And you have this thing. Creep vines. Creepy creeper that likes to creep. Reaper Leviathan. I have came. I have came. I come for you. Because I want your blood. Need your donation. I'm an O positive. I'm a universal donor. I actually don't know my blood type. I think it's like a B something. Okay. Okay. Oh god, it's already starting to look like I'm heading into the depths of who knows freaking what. I saw one time while I was playing creative, I saw 2 Reaper Leviathans. It was not a nice day. And I was in survival. I didn't even have a sea moth. Oh god, I hate this. It's because Subnautica is so freaking creepy when you get to certain parts. Especially when you look down and you see nothing but darkness. Ooh, hello weird fish. That looks like a freaking hovercraft. Gotta build my base hanging off into the darkness. Oh god, I hear it screaming. Where's the Leviathan? When I start freaking screaming like it's being murdered, but it's not doing anything. Oh, you stay away from me. Parents must have dropped you in your head a lot as a child. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Look at this. Oh, does this lead to... Oh, my God, it does. Oh, this looks so beautiful, but yet so terrifying. Because it has these things. Oh, I already found one. I hate you. I know what you do. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh my God. Just shank it. Yeah. Oh, I just released Stumping into the world to be cherished. Did it leave behind anything? That's... Oh my God. Why are you here again? How many are in there? Does another one spawn? Or does it go back in? Oh no. I'll be on my way. Oh! Oh, snap! Oh, you move out of the way. Freaking shank you in your sleep. Get away from me. I know where you live. Oh my God. An abandoned underwater base. This thing looks lit. Oh my God. Let me go in it. Oh. Ooh, starfish. About to mess it up. Can't. Apparently, it's not alive. Oh my God, this looks so cool with the music and everything. Oh, a chair. Oh. It downloaded its data. Any more data to be found? No. Oh my God, this looks so freaking cool. A ladder. And it's the fact that I can swim in this, seeing all its history and everything. Oh, more data. More data. Yeah, Donald Trump. I don't know why I said that. Remember, I had the freaking comedy and mentality of a freaking 7-year-old, so don't judge me, okay? Oh my God, this looks so freaking cool. Yet I'm terrified at the same time. Oh, look, an observatory. I did not expect to find this. I was just going down here to build a base. Build a base. Next ripoff on Build-A-Bear. Let's freaking do this. Okay. I'm gonna have to go deeper. Deeper into the depths. This video is already freaking 8 minutes? Oh, you cannot be serious. Freaking, you're still here? Let me shank you. How have I not hurt you? Oh, come on. I could have sworn I just shanked you. Come on. And just drag this knife. The heck are you? What? Pick up. The heck did I just pick up? A floater. Oh. Joey Shroom Spore. Oh. Just freaking ditch that. Habitat builder. Fire extinguisher. Aye. Evolve to see predators before they see it. This thing is a fish? It's a fish? You're a new type of fish I never found. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna get it. Nighttime approaches. I don't want to build a base that's already near a base. I want to go deeper. But that's sort of accomplishable only by going to the surface again. And I may or may not have lost the path to the surface. Hold on. I know where this is. Hold on. It's like right up here. Wait, does this thing have a... Oh, it does. Okay. Let's freaking do this. I know how to get out of here. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. This is not nice. The tiny crevices. I hate this game when it's dark. Oh, God, it looks so freaky. If I see a Reaper Leviathan, I'm so done. I'm just calling it quits. Because that thing is going to come out, like, straight out of the darkness. I think that's a land shark. Yeah, it's a land shark, or whatever they're called. Whatever the heck those shark scaly things are, I don't even know. I actually, if you go this way... Oh, what's that? Oh, okay, never mind. If you go this way, you get progressively deeper. You actually find a new fish, and it has to do something with electricity. Oh, that music, though. I want something that hangs off into a cliff. Right here. Yeah, it is good. I start base. I need a place that doesn't have a lot of plants. We'll go over there after. Yep, here it is. Oh, what the heck is that? You are different than things I have ever seen on this game. I never seen any kind of strange looking thing like that. Okay, that's new. Okay. Where was the place I said I was gonna build? Yeah, right over here. Okay. Never mind. My nose is itchy again. Okay, there seems to be a lot of those plants that give off, yeah. Am I heading towards my ship? My white pod. Oh. Oh my god, this is good. I can work with this. Oh. Oh, those are those, things. Sea sphinx. Yes, I call you a thing. You look like a... I don't even freaking know. You look like a manatee mixed with an elephant. The... How to freaking describe you, okay? Dude, you need some serious problems. Like Dr. Phil's. It's like serious problems where I need to involve Dr. Phil. Ooh, this way seems promising. Oh yeah, deep dark trench. Oh god, I asked for it, didn't I? I wonder if you can find Reaper Leviathans places that just aren't near the Aurora. Oh no. I think here's a good start for the base. Yeah. Shank. Okay. So... Forget how I did this. Shift? Caps lock? No. I forgot how I... what's the... Oh my god, Hello, what are you? Oh. Oh. Oh, it's daytime. Oh my god. Sweet succulent sunlight. Okay. Oh god, that looks weird, but it also looks cool at the same time. I'm terrified but amazed. Okay. Status rifle proportion. A sequoia. Blueprints. Fish. A cured people. What the heck are you? A geary fish. Never seen one of these before. Did I give myself one? I want a geary fish. Let me find weapons. Because I'm trying to look for habitat builder. Don't I already? That would mean. Oh, and if I bring up number 3. Here we go. First, I need a foundation. Which is like. Okay. It already shown me that there was room. Here it is. There we go. Okay.
Power restored. All primary systems online.
Okay. So, we're getting somewhere. Hold on. I'll be back once I create a simple little base. Well, check it. I did it. I did a thing, okay? I freaking did it. I made this space. I have a moon pool. I have a... Yeah, I don't even know how I managed to do that. What's that business? The heck is that? Is that terrain that sticks out? Like, I know there's islands in this place, but still, it couldn't be that. Let me go under. What? Is an island already there? No, I don't want to get too far away from my thing. Wait, let me turn around. Oh, my base sticks out of the water and it's near my thing, so whatever. I have nothing to basically lose. Am I already near a freaking island? Because I swear. I just freaking built a base. I don't need this. Freaking build a base. Next riff off on build it. Oh my god, it's an island. Well, for the greater good, we're going to explore it, so you better get freaking ready, peoples. Oh my god. The heck is this? Is this even an island? It's just a mountain sticking out of the ground. It's not even an island. Anything under? Oh god, this looks creepy. Oh god, there's a freaking ravine. With darkness. This is not even an island. Is it? Oh, it is. It is an island. Get off me. Thank you. Better run away, you little sissy. You're bleeding in midair. Get away from me. Oh propulsion cannot. How? A propulsion. Propulsion. Ooh, gold. Whatever. I'm creative, so why should I care? Okay, so this is an island. This looked like a mountain for some reason. It's like a weird peak sticking out of the ground. I didn't even know it was an island. It seems incredibly difficult to get up. So beautiful when you find an island on this place. Or did... What did I do? I face for the ground. Don't like it. Oh, thank God. I face for the ground. I don't think there's anything on this island that would have a that I would have a fancy. Is this like? This is right next to my base and the Aurora. Oh wait, there's a pathway. Okay, let's check this out. Okay. Okay. Oh God. A seagull and a crab. Oh, at least there's birds on here. This wouldn't be so alien after all. What's over here? Oh, seagull, I'm gonna shank you. Come here. Okay. I remember killing one of you once. Hold still. I don't think you're even a seagull. Why are you so incredibly difficult to kill? I don't care. Oh my God, this looks so cool, yet so weird. Imagine seeing the I want to see the explosion from here. Dearest to God. Imagine how that would look. Can you get up here before the explosion actually happens? I think not, but either way. I can sort of see my life pod. This is so weird. Oh, get away. Oh, I killed you. Oh. What? Oh my God! I have never done this. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't think anyone has ever figured that out. Oh my God. That has to be the thumbnail for the video. I gotta figure out how to take a screenshot of that. Oh my God. Oh my. What? How did I fly on it? Has anyone ever done this? I gotta Google this after, like, freaking... Guys, I swear, once I freaking upload this video, just look at my YouTube history and just see me, like... Has someone ever managed to fly using the bird? I have never... I never even knew that was freaking possible. It just swooped under my feet and I was like, yeet. Oh God, what's screaming at me? I never heard that sound before. Oh! Oh, I haven't seen you. I think I've seen you once. That's my cry. I seen that thing once, but I never actually got the chance. Oh my God, I wish I built my base there. Oh, so freaking cool. But yet I built my base. Let me swim up and see. My base is over there. I need to set one of those markers, or whatever they're called. Okay. So I'm just going to go over to my base and have a good time. Here it is. Welcome. You got mail. Okay. So let me just go in for my moon pool. Go. I don't care about oxygen. Oxygen production. If you're like me, you don't need oxygen because you're freaking boss. Let me just... Oh, here it is. Oh, wait, let me put that in one of my slots. Why do I keep pressing escape? Hold on. Okay, now let me release this puppy so I can create some things. Hoopla! Okay. Oh, hello. Oh, what the heck are you? Oh, there's 4 of you. What should I name you? Billy Bob. Your name is Billy, your name is Bob. Your name is... Your name is Mystery. And your name is Weesnaw. If anyone understands that reference. I already forget the names. What was it? Billy Bob and Weesnaw and Mystery? Oh, what are you doing? The heck? Oh! Oh, thank you. You must see me.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Oh, welcome aboard. You ready to get on the SS? Actually, in the comments right now, because I'm not going to decide this. I know you can name your ship and everything. So someone post a comment on what you would like me to name this amazing little piece of machinery. Other than that, I'm going to be... What is it? Okay. Well, let me get out the poor thing. Where is it? Power appliances. Here we go. Walker. Sign. Walker. I'm gonna put Walker right there. Actually, I want to. Oh. Hold on. I have to name it something. The heck? What did I just do? Katie Fox gay. Yeah. I'm sorry. What color? I usually see blue. Oh, because I'm freaking colorblind. Okay. Actually, that's for Katie Fox Gaming. 'Cause, yeah. Okay. Now, if I'm correct, there is something in here that I really freaking need. Which I don't see. What the heck? Do I need the... What do I need for this? There's construction, there's attack compartments. Oh, SEMA modification station. Oh. Do I need to put it like this? And don't ask why the lights turned off. Just don't. I'm gonna put it right there. Here it is. And let me see here. Straight. Oh, cool. I'm gonna leave that up to you. What does this say? Submersible name. Okay. Stripe 1. I always like purple, so I'm gonna give it a nice vibrant purple. And my second favorite color is blue. Give it a nice blue. Oh snap, that looks cool. I don't really see the blue, but whatever. Okay. And what is this? Ooh. Freaking fabricator at first hand, that's nice. Oh. Yes, vortex. Okay. Let's see now. People are saying there's a new vehicle. Exosuit. Yep, that's it. The exosuit. Meaning, wouldn't those things give me it then? The thing. Yeah, the things. Where did I put them? Where did I put that little vehicle? Whatever it is. Contraption, vehicle, I don't freaking know. Hello, we saw. Okay. Vehicles. Up. Oopsie. Q. Q. I messed up. Oh, it's starting to become dark. Oh, that's not good. Let's create a Cyclops on that Seamoth. Oh, God. I don't know how I'm gonna... Well, maybe we'll see what happens to my Seamoth. What's gonna happen to my Sea-Freak? There goes my Seamoth. Oh yeah, I can put another Seamoth inside of this thing. Okay.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
So you're gonna be useful. There it is. I have to put it inside here.
Systems online.
Oh God, you have a male voice. Board Cyclops. Why is it telling me this? I know what to do, Mom. Even though I can't get anything farther than the wall. Freaking. You have anything over to do in freaking stare at walls? Oh my God. I'm becoming really laggy right now. I'm exiting the Cyclops. Okay, thank God. It's not as laggy, but it's okay. How do I get a... Yeah, how do I get exosuit then? Does it... Upgrade modules. There's a mystery. Does the exosuit grappling arm? Snap, I really want to know how to get the exosuit now. Propulsion kit. Oh my god, there's so much stuff for it. See, this is my tipping is going to rotate on the HUD. Okay, let me get that. Storage one, okay. CMOS solar charger, I'll need these. Pressure compensator. Okay. Okay, so it says I can edit with this CMOS by placing stuff. Ah, here it is. Access upgrades. A floater. I don't even know. Why do I have these? Okay. Pressure compensator. Okay, so this thing won't freaking break on me. A sonar. Is that why? Okay, that's all. And it said, something at the back. I could operate its torpedoes? Yeah, like right here, I think. It's not showing anything about the torpedoes. But it says it's operatable at the front. Why am I freaking so laggy? Okay, I did not mean to spawn the Cyclops. Please, is there a way to get rid of it? Hold on. Please tell me you can get rid of it. Can you deconstruct it? You can't deconstruct it. You can get freaking rid of these things. You have to blow them up. I'll blow mine up. Freaking Uganji. Please don't freaking sue me or blow me. Okay. So come on. I do not know why I download so many games, and I regret this because I'm having a really freaking hard time. I'm having a bad time.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Oh, shut up. If I promise to miss you, will you go away? Can I access anything here? Enter CMOS. I could have sworn there was something. But the freaking noises these fishes make. Fishes are not normal. I'm so freaking serious about that. Let me drop the missiles. Let me drop you things. Get out of my freaking life. Yeah, I can freaking stick the whatever. Let me take my steam off. You know what, I'm just gonna head back in my moon pool. What the? Well, let me figure out because I'm in early development and apparently you can type stuff in pressing every freaking key on my keyboard. I regret this. Anything here? I'm going to regret this. Oh god. Oh no. No, I don't understand what people press to put up the chat thing, but whatever. I guess I won't know how to get the exosuit. It mentions it, so there has to be a way. Blueprints. Cyclop Bridge blueprint. Cyclops hull. Oh! Exosuit! It's there, but how do I get it? Photo album. Oh my god. It's there. Okay, this is weird. I have no idea how to get it, but I see it. So there is a way to get it. But I'm being too stupid to figure it out. Oh god. Okay. Let me get out this. Can I spawn it with this thing? I don't see any. Oh, I can't. Appliances. Let's get a fabricator. Personal. Ooh, deployables. Seaglide. Beacon. Current generator. Waterproof locker. A beacon. Why I need a beacon? Okay. Throw the swing down. How do I throw these swings down again? Do I have to look at something? Do I have to... How do I deploy this? Okay, I messed up. Pressing every button on my keyboard. Please tell me how to deploy you. How do I freaking deploy this thing? Whatever. Okay, personal equipment. Oh, come on, I feel like I'm gonna find it somewhere. No? This is so weird. I would expect to find it. Anything else? No? Vending machine. I wanna see this. Did it do anything? No, it's just there at all cool. Well, no. Okay. Nothing. Scanner room, living room, pool. Okay, waterproof. What about this? Oh, I forgot. This is a legitimate room. Hold on. Hang in there. Hang in there. I don't care where I spawn this. This one scanner room did something of purpose. Forget what it did, but it did something. Please tell me it's just not all for the cameras. I just sworn it actually had a purpose. Let me go check again with the... Where's the thing? Come here, I want to freaking. Okay. What the heck? Let me on you. That's probably the weirdest thing I ever freaking said, but whatever. It's only two things. If the thing would be anywhere, it'd be here. You guys are probably freaking screaming at me, telling me it's just somewhere and I'm not seeing it. But it's right there. Oh my. But I can't get. Where is it? Is there a way to spawn it from here? No, there isn't. Oh my god, this noise is so annoying. You know what, deuces? Yeah. So this was episode 1. I hope you guys have enjoyed whatever the heck I was doing for the past 46 minutes. I'm probably making a fool out of myself, like always, but as usual, I'm always told I'm a disappointment. JK. But still. Yeah. Oh god, that grew you. Just shake it. Oh, now I can do it? Oh, duck you. I'm gonna boy you right here. There you go. You're B1. You're a freaking ripoff on R2-D2. I hope you feel happy about yourself. Okay, well, I'm just gonna end it off here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, whatever I done for... Oh, yeah. The wacky Cyclops and the bird. I swear to God, the bird, it has to be the thumbnail. I'll leave a link showing where the actual... I'll just leave a link at the beginning showing where... giving a link to... Yeah, you get it. I don't know, I'm really freaking stupid when it comes to things like this. Oh my god, is this a salt? You cannot be serious. Salt deposits are rare in my case. I can't find them anywhere for me. I just freaking found one. Did I just pass the number? By the way, if you guys ever look for salt deposits, look in, these places. Because apparently they have a lot of them. Okay. Well, I'm gonna end this video off where it is. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and peace.